Hi, my name is Dragoș Dobre and I work at Swiss Tropical and Public Health Institute. In this video, we will look on the language customization for OpenIMI's web application localization. Let us first understand OpenIMI's language localization. We will start by opening OpenIMI's web application solution in Visual Studio. Press Ctrl F5 to start the web application. For this tutorial, we are using the local instance of the demo database. Once the web application is loaded, log in with admin user and password admin123. Next, go to Administration, Users and select the admin user. In the Edit User form, select Language Input. As you can see, you can select either English or French. Navigate now to Administration Location. You can see here the region, district, municipality and village as the 4 levels of locations. Log out and connect with a French admin account with admin_fr123 password. Now you can see the interface in French. Navigate to Admin Lieu and you can see Région, District, Municipalité et Village. Let us see now how the languages are managed in the source code. Go back to Visual Studio and from IMI's project open Locations ASPX file. You can see in the code the language keywords that are managing the labels we have just saw on location web page. In our case, L region, L district, L word, and L village. These language keywords can be found in the resource files under App Global Resources folder. In our case, we have 2 resource files for English and French languages. Open the resource resx file and search for L region keyword. As you can see, the value for this keyword is region. If you look on the source code, you can see the XML format of this file. Each keyword has a data element entry with an associated value. During execution, the keywords are replaced by their values based on the selected language. Now, if we look in the French resource file, the L region keyword has value région. Let us see now how to use Localized to manage OpenIMI's translations. Localized is a collaborative platform for translation management. From your browser, navigate to Installation and Country Localization wiki page. Select Language Translation from Legacy Web Application Localization. Here, you will find information on how to use Localize. Click Web Application Project. Login using SSO. I will use my GitHub account. In Localized, we are managing the translation for all OpenIMI's components. If we look on the OpenIMI's web app project, we have access to all keywords we saw in the resource files. Let us search the L region label. For each term, we can see the available languages. In our case, we are looking at English and French terminology. To edit a translation, click on it. The platform is also proposing translation that can be used. To add new translation keys, just press Add Key button. Let us now update the French translation and replace Région with Provence. Click the Download button to generate the updated resource files. From here, we deselect the English language and make sure French language is selected. We deselect GitHub trigger and click Build and Download button. Save the file in your Downloads folder. The downloaded zip file contains the French resource file. Extract the resource file and copy it to OpenIMI's web app VB folder cloned in a previous video. Let us now run the updated web application. Switch back to Visual Studio and wait for the resource FR-Res6 file to be reloaded. As you can see, L region keyword is now Provence. Start the application again. Once the web application is loaded, log in with a French admin user. You can see now Provence on home screen. Navigate to admin lieu and you will see that the region level is called now Provence, which was called Région before.